CCK711 here. Today I'm going to be showing how to make a bandana dress for your Webkinz signatures. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I already opened the bandana, okay? So, open it up. And of course, I need to get our address. So, hold on a few seconds.
A few moments later.
Okay, so you Webkinz signature, of course, and use, of course, spread it out. Make sure the tag's on the inside. When you fold it like this, make sure it's in a triangle. Okay? Yeah. Okay? You lay the bandana down. Sorry. Lay your weapon flat on its back. And you twist underneath. Make sure the tag's out of the way now. Underneath. And if it's long enough, either use a safety pin or whatever to, if it doesn't tie, you can either use a safety pin to hold it and all that. Since this one's long enough, I'm going to tie it. Okay, see? And with this, neither, this is when the safety pins comes in, Yeah. Make sure it's kind of bunched up as well. For the tail. Make room for the tail. Or you fold this little flap right here that's extra and tuck it in without having to use safety pins. So yeah. And you're almost done. Just use a small safety pin, flip it inside out and stick the one safety pin. I might have to use the bigger one. I'm not sure if this one's thicker. Yeah, I got this at Walmart. And you stick the safety pin on the inside, fold it down so it can stay. Oh, might have to use one more safety pin to. Oh, came undone. Yeah. Not mean for that to happen. Okay. This one might be a little snug on her. I'm not sure. I mean, a little snug. Okay, there we go. See? The safety pin does come undone. Just use a bigger one. Just take a big one like this. You stick it. See? Oh, her feet are in the way. See? Stick it like that. Oh, it's Noodles. See? And of course you fasten it. Yep. It looks like I didn't get everything, but oh. I guess the safety pin is hidden when you pull it down. And no, there you go. There you have a cute bandana dress for your Webkinz signature. If you want to do one for your other Webkinz, like a regular Webkinz, make sure to use like a smaller one, like from Dollar Tree or whatever, or a pet one. That's like square, of course. Well, yeah. Okay. Well, I hope you like that how-to video, and I'll see you around. Crazy Breaks and Queen, CCK711 out. Peace.